Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Look UK. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I do my feed in braids. Today's style we're going to be doing is the Shuku feed in braid. So a lot of people like their braid not to like touch around their body, so that's why I noticed a lot of people prefer the Shuku Ghana weaving or feeding braid, if you call it, because I remember I've actually titled a particular tutorial, and then a viewer came on my comment section and said that's not the name of the video of the tutorial, that she has been looking for that tutorial, but because I didn't name it correctly, that she couldn't find it, and she was really happy to see that video. So you can either call it a feed in braid or you can call it a Ghana weaving. It's popularly known as a Ghana weaving, but some people call it feed in braid. So it's known as feed in braid and also Ghana weaving. So if you're looking for a feed in braid, you're looking for Ghana weaving, it's all the same. So I'm going to just show you guys how I make my Ghana weaving. And if you look at the shuku that I actually did, they call it Shuku. The style we're going to be doing is Shuku. You're going to see it at the end and see how it looks. All of the weaving just comes to the middle, and then you can hold it as one knot on the middle, and then it doesn't drop on your body. For a lot of people who don't like extension to be on their body or touching them all over, they actually like this style, and it came out really beautiful. And just keep watching and you'll enjoy the video. Like I will always say on all my videos, while you're watching my tutorials, please just concentrate on my fingers, on my hands, what I do. So if you want to learn how to make hair, or you don't know how to weave, you don't know how to braid, what you need to do is to concentrate on the fingers of the person who is making the hair. So it just gives you more understanding on what the person is doing, and it makes it more easier for you to actually learn how to do it. But if you already know how to weave already, good luck to you. So this will just give you an idea if you want to make a shuku, because I noticed that a lot of people find it difficult to make this shuku. It's easier to make Ghana weaving all back or feed in all back, but it's a little bit difficult for some people who already know how to braid to actually make shuku, how to cut it right and how to go about it. So this will just give you a basic idea on how to make a shuku if you want to make a shuku. So as I go further, I want to apologize. For some time now, I've not been posting on my channel. I'm so sorry. A lot of people have sent me messages on my channel asking why I've not been posting. That's because I'm actually caught up in something. I'm working at the same time. I'm trying to make it make tutorials and post for you guys, and it's looking as if that is kind of difficult, but I'm really trying all my best to make sure that I'm able to upload something for you guys every week. Please pardon me for those who have sent message. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate your messages, your concerns. I will try as much as possible to go back to my normal routine, posting every week. Okay, and if you like this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, and you can share with your friends. So maybe you have a friend who have told you that I would like to make a braid, or I don't know how to weave, or I have kids who I want to weave their hair, but I don't know how to do it. If you share this video with them, that will really help them. The boost, what I use the boost for is if I'm trying to cut hair, like this is a 4C natural hair, and when you try to cut it without putting the gel, you won't be able to get a straight cut or a shiny cut. So that is the reason for the boost gel that I normally use. Once you put the boost gel in between the cut for the first time and then try to cut it again, you'll be able to get a clearer cut, because you actually have a lot of undergrowth. So that is the reason why I use the boost gel. I don't, for my preference, I don't really like using gel on hair, like just feeding the hair with a lot of gel. I don't like it, because from the very first time it will look very good, but after that they give it 2 days or 3, you won't actually like the hair. That is the reason why I don't like gel on my weavings, on my braid. But just to be able to get a clearer cut, a clearer part, that's the reason why I'm actually using a gel on this. So guys, if you watch this video to this extent and you are not a subscriber to this channel, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I try as much as possible to upload new videos every week. Please support your girl by hitting on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. When I see people watch my videos, like I post a video and I see a lot of views on it and a lot of comments, a lot of like, it just motivates me kind of to do more. Please support me. You guys should motivate me to post more for you guys. Thank you. So if you have a tutorial on mind and you want me to upload a tutorial, please don't hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section and I'm going to upload the video for you guys. Don't hesitate to drop your comments. If there is any trending hair you think you want to just jump into, please drop a message and I'm going to upload it for you guys. So let me just explain a little bit of what I'm doing with the extension. When I start from the beginning, I pick the extension. I want the client to give me the extension very tiny so that the beginning would look tiny. So when it gets to the middle, they start adding extensions to it. So it depends on the size you want to make. That's how you add extension to it. So if you notice from the middle, they start giving me extension. When I'm going close to the end and I notice that the extension is a little bit okay to what I want, I ask the client to like reduce the extension so it doesn't look, one doesn't look bigger than the other. So I just ask the client to reduce the extension, then I start using smaller one just like I started from the beginning. So if you understand what I am saying, so when you start from the beginning, you use tiny extensions, feed in tiny extensions, then when you get to the middle, you start getting bigger extensions, and then when you get to the very last part, you start reducing the extension again, if you understand what I'm talking about. So that's how you get this look. So you could see how the shuku is looking. Even though I've not finished, you could see how joint it looks. This is what a lot of people find difficult to have, just to make sure that the shuku like they're joined together and is really should I say firm at the middle. So a lot of people find it difficult to achieve that. So that is what I'm just doing, and by the time I'm putting it inside the water just to straighten the braids, you will see how the shuku really looks. It actually looks like I sewed the middle together, but I did not do that. But it looks very, very good and my clients love it. Okay, you could see how the shuku looks. It looks as if maybe I sewed the middle together, but I did not. So that is how you can actually achieve that block shuku, and it will look as if you actually did hold the shuku together. I did not, and it looks very very firm, and it came out really beautiful. My clients love it. So most of the time when you make shuku, it's finer when it's actually looking as if it's standing like a ponytail in the middle. So that is what we achieved, and it really looked very very beautiful. It looks very very beautiful. So if there is any video at all you would like me to upload for you, please don't hesitate to mention it in the comment section, and I'm going to make it and upload it for you. For a subscriber actually dropped me a comment. I saw the comment saying that I should post a video on how to fold long hair on braids. So I still have that in mind. I'm going to upload that. Maybe I might upload that next on the channel. Please, I actually saw your comment and I replied to it. I don't know if you've seen it, but I'm going to upload that video for you because I've gotten several people asking me to make a tutorial on how to fold braid. So this is the end of the Ghana weaving feeding braid, like you call it. It came out really really beautiful, gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.